Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Starry AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Starry AI's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Starry AI application. The home page of Starry AI application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account option. Confirm deletion of your account by tapping on delete from the pop-up, and that is how you will be able to delete your Starry AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.